Good morning, student. I am going to revise chapter 5, lines and angles. The word geometry is made from the Greek word geo, meaning earth, metry meaning measurement. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, positions, angles, and dimension of things. Now, we see some basic concepts and terms of geometry. Point. A point is used to represent any specific location or position. It doesn't have any size. A point has no length, breadth, and height. Line segment. A line segment has two endpoints with a definite length. Straight line. A straight line has neither starting nor end point and is of infinite length. Ray. A ray has one end point and infinitely extends in one direction. Now, parallel lines. Line on a plane that never meet. They are always the same distance apart. Here the red and blue line segments are parallel. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are two or more lines that cross or meet at one point. For example, the following two lines meet at point E. Now, perpendicular lines. When there is a right angle between two lines, the lines are said to be perpendicular to each other. Transversal lines. A line intersecting two or more given lines in a plane at different points is called a transversal to the given lines. The line P is called a transversal that which intersects two or more lines at distinct points. It is not necessary that they should be parallel. Angles. The vertex of a shape where two edges meet form an angle. Different shapes in geometry have different angle measures. Acute angle. The angle that is between 0 and 90 degree is an acute angle. Obtuse angle. The angle that is between 90 degree and 180 degree is an obtuse angle. Right angle. The angle that is 90 is a right angle. Now, straight angle. The angle that is 180 degree is a straight angle. Supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then the angles are called supplementary angles. Two right angles always supplement each other. In this figure, you can see angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the two angles are called complementary angles. Angle COA plus angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Adjacent angles. The angles that have a common arm and a common vertex are called adjacent angles. In this figure, angle BOA and angle AOC are adjacent angles. Their common arms is OA and common vertex is O. Vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect, the angles formed opposite to each other at the point of intersection are called vertically opposite angles. X and Y are two intersecting lines. Angle A and angle C are pair of vertical opposite angle, and angle B and angle D make another pair. When a transversal intersects two lines, eight angles are formed. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. These are 8 angles formed. Okay. Now, interior angles on the same side of transversal are angle 3 and angle 6 and angle 4 and angle 5. Exterior alternate angles. Angle 1 and angle 7 and angle 2 and angle 8 are exterior alternate angles. Vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 and 3, angle 2 and 4, angle 5 and 7, angle 6 and 8 is vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now corresponding angles. Angle 1 and 5, angle 2 and 6, angle 3 and 7 and angle 4 and 8 are corresponding angles. Interior alternate angles. Angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and 6 are interior alternate angles.
Now, some question for practice. First, write the definition of A. Line segment, B. Ray, C. Parallel lines. Second, find the angle which is equal to its complement. Third, find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Now, some multiple choice question. First, it is definite length A. Line, B. Line segment, C. Ray, D. Point. Second, corresponding angles are always equal if lines are A. Parallel, B. Equal, C. Intersecting and D. None of these. Third, parallel lines always A. Intersected, B. Coincident, C. Equal, D. Equidistant. Fourth, linear pair angles are also A. Complementary angles, B. Supplementary angles, C. Equal angles and D. None of these. Fifth, two angles formed by two intersecting lines having no common arms are called A. Linear pair angles, B. Adjacent angles, C. Supplementary angles and D. Vertically opposite angles. Okay student, have a nice day.